Hi everyone. Today let's start to revise CLO 3 BUS 1023. First of all, you have to know the content of the portion of your exam. Yes, this is the simple interest and the compound interest. So you have two types of interest, simple interest and compound interest. Okay. This is a formula sheet for the simple interest. So in the simple interest, you have P, this is the principal amount, this is the amount of money you start with. Okay, this is the principal amount. Okay, this is the money you start with. You get a loan from the bank or you invest some money. Okay, R is interest rate. Interest rate. This is always percentage, right? T, time, for how long you invest or you will pay your loan, but the time in years should be in years. Okay, and I is the interest amount of interest amount. This is when you have, I like to have this triangle to have the I equal to P times R times T. So if you would like to have I, so I will be PRT as in the formula here. If you would like to have R, you will have R as I over APT, like here, right? If you need T, T will be I over PR, right? This is in the simple interest rate, okay? In the compound interest rate, this is the same. This is the principal amount. This is the interest rate. This is the time in year. What is S? S, they call it the future value, or the amount at the end of your period at the end. Sometimes they call it the accumulated amount. Okay, this is S. Okay, so similar, P is a principal amount, R is interest rate, a percentage. What's M? T in time in year. M, how many times per year you will get your income, your interest, sorry, or your income from the investment, right? So you have to know, it depends. You will get annually, so M equal to 1 if it is annually. Semi-annually, M equal to 2. Monthly, M equal to 12. Weekly, you have 52, so M equal 52 weeks out of 1 year. What do you call it? Weekly, 52. Bi-weekly, you will have 26. Semi-monthly, you will have 24. So you have to know what's M. After the word compound, this is what I just tell you about how to find. Okay. So remember, yeah, P is the principal amount, the original amount, money, loan, investment, etc. R is the rate of interest, okay? And the time must be in year. This is in the simple interest. But for the compound interest, same symbols for S, for B, and for R, and for T. The new one is S, is a compound amount, or the accumulated value, or the future value, okay, or the maturity value. All of these names for S, okay. M, this is a new one for you, the number of compounding per year, right? Okay. If you would like to have only the compound interest, you get the maturity value or the future value or the accumulated value minus the principal value. This is the interest compound. If you would like to have the principal amount, you have to, yes, calculate S first. And if you know the interest, S minus the maturity value minus the interest give you the principal value, right? Okay. Also, the principal value, you can find it from here if you are given S and R and M and T. So P will equal to S over 1 plus R over M to the power M times T. Okay. So if you are looking for the principal value, the amount you start with, you can, and you are given the maturity value or the accumulated value, you can find the principal value, right? Okay. Let's go for this one. What is this one? You borrow this amount. This is a principal amount, right? Okay. For how long? 5 months. We said the time must be in years, so you have to divide this 5 by 12, right? And this is the simple interest rate, so this is R. So in the simple interest rate, in the formula sheet, I'm going to find what? How much interest. This is the interest in the simple. So I have B, I have T in years because I divided by 12 because I have to change it into years. Okay, so plug in this number here. So it is equal to, how much is it? 675. 675. So P is 36,000 times R is 4.5% times time in year 5 over 12. So you get 675. Now, what is the total amount? The total amount, I said, the total amount, the accumulated amount, all of it is S, right? S is equal to what? P, the principal amount, plus the interest you have it. Okay, so you have 36,000 plus the interest you calculated now, which is 675. So you have 36,000, 675. Okay. Okay. Now, yes, cash, I know. This is per annual. This is annually, right? So R is 4%. Okay. In this time, he paid this one 800 as interest. So this is I capital here. For the time, T is 4 years. It's given by years, so no need to change anything. He's looking for what? The principal amount. This is the amount he borrowed from this one. So he's looking for P. Again, I'm using this one. If I'm looking for P, P will equal to I over RT from this triangle here. I is here, PRT. So I'm looking for P, so it is I over RT. Now I'm given I, so I is 800 over R is 4%, times T is how many years? 4 years. So you get, yes, by calculator, you should have 5,000, right? Okay. Now let's go for this one. Yes, you borrow this one. This is the principal amount. This is R. This is annually, okay? This is what? Yes, he paid the bank 45 as interest. So this is the difference between the S and B. I know this one. How many months AS did borrow the money from the bank? He didn't say, yes, he didn't say compound. So this one should be what? Yeah, should be simple, right? Okay. Yes. Now let's go and we are looking for T. Here it is. T equal I over P. He gave me I as 45 dirham over P, the principal amount. Yes, 5,200 times R. R is, where is R? Yeah, here it is, 7%. So by your calculator, you will get this one. Yes, 1.25 years, right? But he's asking you to have this one in month. So 1.25 years, he's looking for a month. So I have to multiply by 12. Yes, so it will equal to 15 months. Okay. Now, for this one, yes, deposit, it means this is your principal amount. Good. This is what? He paid interest for 3,000. He earned. So he investing this amount and he earned this one. Okay. For how long? 4 years. This is T. Yes. Okay. So he earned this one. This is I. Okay. And this is P. What are the interest rate? So the interest rate is how much he get, right? With respect to the principal amount. Okay, I know this one. From where I can get R? Yes, R here is I over BT. I is given for you 3,000 over the principal amount 15,000 times T, how many years? 4 years. If it is not in years, I have to change it into years, right? Okay, so how it comes? It is 0.05. But he's asking you to write it in percentage, so you have to multiply by 100. So you have 5%. Okay, so it is 5%. Okay. Now let's go for this one. Yes, catch the number. Yes, this is a principal amount. Good. For sure. This is R. Yes. He said simple interest, so I don't. Okay. Yes, he start with June 21st. Okay. Up to what? Up to September. Okay. So I have to use a table, okay, to know how many days between June 21. Let's go and see how to use this formula to know how many days. So how to use this formula to find how many days between these two? You will go for June 21st, right? So what is June? Here it is. 21st is here. So go for June 21st. So you have 172 here. And go for the other date, September 2nd. Here is September. Go for 2nd. So you have 245. Catch it? Okay. Now I have this 172, 172, and the September 2nd is 245. So how long you invest this one? You get how many days? 245 minus 172. So you have to change this one into years. So you have to divide it by 365, right? Okay, that's good. Okay. So you have 73 over 365. So this is T in years, must be in years. I got the number, how many days, and I divided by 365. So I have T, I have P right now, and I have R. So how much interest must pay you? Yeah, this is a P. I have P 10,000 times R. He gave it to me already, 5%. And I calculate T in days and I change it into years, which is 73 over 365. Multiply this one by your calculator. How much you will have? 100? Yeah, please recheck this one. This is 100. So he pay interest 100. Okay. How much must repay to the bank? So he will repay to the bank the principal amount, 10,000, plus the interest he should pay, right? Which is 100. So it will be 10,100 dirham, right? Please recheck this one. Okay. Now, we have, yes, this is a principal amount, P. This is T in years, no need to change anything. This is R, okay. How much should I repay to the, so, okay, repay, I have compound interest here. Quarterly, it means M equal 4. How many times he will get every year? Meaning 4 times, so M is 4, right? Okay, that's good. Now, which formula you are going to use? How much should I repay? This is S. This is the accumulated amount. So where is, yes, I am compounded. So I have to use the compound interest formula, right? So I go for S. I have P 11,200 times 1 plus R is given 3% over M. M, he said quarterly, so M is 4. Here M again, multiply by the time in years, 2 years. Now, using your calculator, it gives you 11,000. Yeah, it gives you 11,884.91. Because he said calculate up to 2 decimal places, right? So I have 91. I have to check the third decimal places. If it is less than 5, I don't add this one. But I think this was 0, 1, 6, or 7 here. So I cancel this one, I add 1 here. So if it is the third decimal place bigger than 5, cancel it and add 1 to the previous one, right? If it is less than 5, no need to add anything. This is how to round it to 2 decimal place. Okay, so yeah, I calculate this one, 11,884.91. Now, he said, how much interest he will pay? This is, he need I, right? How much interest he need I? What is the relation between I and S? Yes, I is equal to S minus P, the maturity value or the accumulated value or the future value minus the principal value, right? So I have S already 11,884.91 minus the principal amount is here 11,200. Okay, so when you subtract them, you have 689.91. Okay, that's great. Okay, now, yes, you will need this amount in 6 years to attend the college. So this is the amount you need in 6 years. Okay, invested my money in a bank. I don't know how much you have. This is R. He said compound quarterly. So M equal to what? M equal to 4, right? So this amount is S, is not B, because this needed in 6 years. And after 6 years, you need this one. So this time is S. Okay. He's asking you about what? How much you invest. Anything you invest is the principal amount, P. So which formula you are going to use? Yes, you are going to use compound interest because it is already, he said, compound here over here. Okay, so P equal to 1, S over 1 plus R over M to the power M times T. Just plug in the number. So S is equal to 40,000 over 1 plus R is 12%, okay, over M, because it's quarterly, so M is 4, times M times T for 6 years. Now, using your calculator, you have P equal to what? Yes, 1, 9, okay, 677.3.34, right? Please recheck this one, okay? So, 19677.34, okay? Now, bank offer 5,000 for 5 years certificate. The rate is this one, right? So this is a principal amount. Okay, this is R. Semi-annually, it means M equal to 2, right? Okay, and he offer another one, another bank offer certificate, same type of deposit, which is 5,000, but different rate, okay, and compound monthly, so M equal to 12, right? So which investment gives the better offer and why? So less interest you pay is a better offer, okay? So it is compounded, so you have to find what? Yes, the compound interest. If you pay less interest, it means this is sorry, if you have higher interest, so it will be a good offer for you as investment, right? Okay, now let's go and substitute for each one of these. Okay, for bank A, you have S equal to what? When you substitute, you will have 4.5 times 10 to the power 12. For bank B, after you substitute here, you have S equal to what? 2.19 times 10 to the power 23. Please check this one. So which one is better for you? Yes, when you are investing, by the end of your time, if you have more money like this one, it will be better for you, okay? But if you get a loan, no. If you get a loan from the bank, the less interest is better for you. But for the investment, higher interest, it will be good for you, right? So this, so I will deposit in the 5,000 in bank B. Okay, so this is the right formula to use. Everything you are here for each bank, substitute for each bank in this formula. Okay, so the more amount you will have, the better investment for you. So go for the bank give you more interest. Now, okay, now I have amount. This is the P, right? That's okay. This is P. Okay. This is T in here. No need to change anything, right? Okay, accumulated. This is S, right? Okay. Find the compound interest. The compound interest is the difference between S and B. What is the formula? Yes, compound interest is, this is S minus B, right? So just subtract this one from this one. S minus B, it means you subtract 58,328.52 minus 55,000. You will get how much? Yes, yeah, I think 55, this is 328.52. Please check after me, right? Okay, be careful on you. He said round, it's already rounded up to this one. So you have here, you have 48. Okay, it's already rounded, no need to do it. Now, I'll leave this one for you because this is exactly, he just plug in the number, he give you P here and give you T in here, give you the rate monthly. So M here is equal to what? 12. He's looking for the future values, so he's compounded here, compounding. So I'm going for this one. So he's looking for S. Just plug in the number over here in this formula. Okay, 14, sorry, 15,000, sorry. So 15,000 times 1 plus R 12% over M is 12 because he said monthly over 12 times 3. So you will get the value when you plug in the number. Now, in this one, he gave you T and give you R and he give you quarterly. It means M equal to 4. This is S. So now you are looking for B. As I said, B equal S over 1 plus R over M to the power M times T. Please plug in the number and get the value. Okay. Now I'll give you exercise to do. So stop the video, try to solve this one, please. So again, compounding. So monthly, remember, M equal to 12. Semi-annually, it means M equal to 2. Annually, you have no problem, M equal to 1. Right? So please solve these two questions and also this one as well, right? He said quarterly, so the number of periods, which is M equal to 4. Total amount, this is the S. Total interest is S minus B. Thank you so much.